cop cars. Still like guitars, we pull up like rock stars. At the door with the stick, lady knock hard. Hey, little niggas can't stand.
Alright, y'all, we done made it up here, man. Let's go get it. This way it go down at, man. Any of y'all ever around North Carolina area, hit these folk up, man. They do good business. Great work. You about to see. They get it. Alright, y'all, done pulled in. About to put the B on the other side. Bring her back to life. Alright, y'all, we'll get a live reaction. She just got off work. Pulling in that big glow green. You know what I mean? Let go. Oh, damn, man, pull down far enough. YouTube, man. Damn. We will be in the building in Charlotte tomorrow. Knockout 360. Hogs going wild meat.
What you do?
We'll be there. We finally got the other side done. Wanted the people to see. You know the squad out here. Adolph, Louis Vuitton. Fresh off work. What's good, baby?
What's up, baby?
Easy day.
Easy day. Came home with a plate.
Oh, okay, them folk done cooked and everything. Watch out, boy.
Whoa.
Check your car out. I know you know what's going on, but get to look at it for the first time.
Scatty patty.
Got the other scatty patty on there. You know what I'm saying?
Matches my brake.
Match the brakes. Yellow Brembo. Like y'all know, we already had the other side done, but we had to go get the other side done.
Don't worry about it. I'm going to get a wash now.
Yeah, she definitely need a wash. G-Lo. Glow. Glow. What up, mom? See the squad, man. We do this too now. We do this Kendall's. Check us out on Instagram. Hey, y'all, the other day, not only do me and the wifey got a scatty, but my mama went and picked up that 2020 black on black scat. Hey, what's up, mama?
What's up, baby?
That's good. Ooh, look at you looking pretty. I said, I got you on here now. I'm going to put you on my YouTube channel. We came a long way, boy. Huh? Nah, you good. I got you locked in. My mama used to walk me to school for miles, boy. We ain't had no car. Went to a little escort. Now look at her. She shining now. We up. Thank God. Love you, ma. Okay, yeah, fresh out of the rap shop. They came straight to the Magic Audio shop. It's time to put a system in there. Both of them. We ain't playing. Let go. Hers already been worked on. Let's see what they got. See what's going on. Woo! Big DS18 in there. Yeah, Sirski. Big horns. Sheesh. Amps and all that clean tucked in there. Can't get it. Got some inside speakers done too. I forgot what we got going on. Later I get some non-copyrighted music and play. But for now, we up here. Shout out to the man himself, man. Let me get him on here, man. He gonna be shy, man. He gonna be shy. This my man George right here. This the owner of the shop, man. Magic Audio.
Boom! See us, man.
I've been messing with this man for a long time. They do good work. They got it all out here. Corvettes getting worked on, you feel me? Ain't playing. Red good. Ain't out just playing. They work on cars, audio, all that. You see it? Let's see what we can get done, baby. Let's put something in this baby. Alright, y'all, we done pulled back up, man. Let's see what we got. We done pulled back up. They done got the system put in. You know what I'm saying? Let me pop the trunk. Big sundown. You feel me? We're gonna see what she talking about in just a sec. Hey man, I like what they done put in here, man. If y'all can even hear me, man, let me get closer to the phone, man. But they just put in the sundown 15 2,000 watt amp. Upgraded the 6x9s and the inside front speakers. We're gonna see what it's talking about. What up, family? What's good, baby? Oh, they got the white folk up here. Look something. You got my baby girl. She stay stylicious. You feel me? The car. I love it. Shout out to my man George. And my man, what's my man's name? Young. Hey, how old is he? 19. The boy 19. He got another 18-year-old. They doing all the installs and they ain't missing nothing. Make sure they on it. I want to say I appreciate you.
Yoga lane.
Anytime